Have you ever cooked eggs that refuse to slide off the pan, spent half an hour scrubbing burnt food, or wondered what's actually in the coating of your cookware? The wrong pots and pans can turn everyday cooking into a frustrating chore. If you're thinking about upgrading your kitchen, the Carote 21-piece ceramic pots and pans cookware set might be exactly what you're looking for. The first impression is definitely positive. The cookware has a clean, modern appearance that instantly makes any kitchen look more organized and premium. The ceramic coating gives each pan a smooth finish, while the reinforced die-cast aluminum construction feels sturdy without becoming too heavy to lift. Whether you're moving a full stock pot or tossing vegetables in the fry pan, the cookware feels balanced and comfortable in everyday use. The included glass lids are another thoughtful touch, allowing you to monitor your food without constantly lifting the lid and letting heat escape. One of the biggest advantages of this set is how complete it is. Instead of buying cookware piece by piece, you get 2 frying pans, multiple saucepans, stock pots, a sauté pan, cooking utensils, a steamer, and pan protectors all in one package. That makes it an excellent option for anyone moving into a new home, replacing an older cookware collection, or furnishing an apartment from scratch. Everything works together, creating a consistent cooking experience across the entire set. Performance is where this cookware really stands out for everyday cooking. The ceramic nonstick surface allows foods like eggs, pancakes, fish, and delicate vegetables to release easily with very little oil. That not only makes cooking easier, but also cuts down significantly on cleanup afterward. Heat distribution is another strong point. The reinforced aluminum base spreads heat evenly across the cooking surface, helping reduce hot spots that can burn food while leaving other areas undercooked. Whether you're simmering soup, boiling pasta, searing chicken, or preparing dinner for the family, the cookware delivers consistent, reliable results. Using the cookware feels simple regardless of your cooking experience. Since it's compatible with induction cooktops as well as gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops, it fits into almost any kitchen. The nonstick coating also means less soaking and scrubbing after meals. In most cases, a soft sponge and warm, soapy water are enough to clean the pans in just a few minutes. If you cook every day, that time savings quickly becomes one of the biggest benefits. Of course, no cookware set is perfect. Like most ceramic cookware, it benefits from a little extra care. Using silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils instead of metal helps protect the nonstick surface, and cooking over medium heat rather than extremely high temperatures will help extend the life of the ceramic coating. These are small adjustments that can help keep the cookware performing well for years. Compared with similarly priced ceramic cookware sets from brands like GreenLife, Gotham Steel, and Blue Diamond, the Carote 21-piece ceramic cookware set stands out because of its generous collection of cookware, reinforced die-cast aluminum construction, and excellent overall value. Many competing sets include fewer accessories or fewer cooking pieces at a similar price, making the Carote set one of the more complete packages available. Overall, the Carote 21-piece ceramic pots and pans cookware set is an excellent choice for families, beginner cooks, newlyweds, college students moving into their first apartment, and anyone replacing worn-out non-stick cookware. It offers reliable performance, healthier ceramic cooking, easy cleanup, and an impressive selection of cookware in one purchase. If you're looking for heavy-duty stainless steel cookware designed primarily for high-heat searing, another option may be a better fit. But for everyday home cooking, the Carote set delivers outstanding value.